A global outage is causing some major disruptions across several industries this morning.
And get ready, it's going to cause havoc in your day. Microsoft users worldwide, by the way, this is worldwide, including banks, airlines, reported widespread outages hours after the technology company said it was trying to fix an issue that was affecting Microsoft 365, the apps and its services as well. The cause, the nature of all of this is unclear of the outage. We don't know at this point, but Microsoft appeared to be suggesting in a post on X that the situation was improving, but escalating outages are still being reported, and that's, again, worldwide.
Yeah, and it's something that we've been tracking. So while they're working on it, we really don't have a timeline on when things will be up and running. You're probably seeing it at work. I'm learning from Starbucks, Orange Theory. Their apps are not working. I know we were talking to hospital systems. You have appointments later today. Your app is working, though?
If you're with Cleveland Clinic and you use my chart, everything seems to be working, functioning as it normally does. Yeah, I have a hand surgery later today, and it appears that everything is going to go well with that. Not that I'm looking forward to that. We do have some information here regarding hospital outages, other hospital outages. The University of Miami and UHealth, the University of Miami Health Systems, experiencing some connectivity issues. That's across various applications, we're being told. That includes UChart.
So University of Miami Information Technology is actively working to resolve the disruption and bringing all those systems back online, they say. Until, though, those systems are restored, impacted facilities are operating in a downtime protocol. So that means they're using paper orders to disseminate information. Now, all hospitals and clinics will remain open as scheduled, but you should anticipate, patients, some delays until they are back fully operational. Now, the outage did not compromise their data security and confidentiality, so that's good news there. But as Keith mentioned, we did reach out to some other hospital groups this morning to try and learn if they're seeing impacts. JMH says they are fine. That was as around 4 a.m. that I called and checked in with them. Memorial texted me about 30 minutes or so ago saying they're okay, and then HCA as well says they're fully operational right now.
Oh, we duplicated because I checked with Memorial as well. I also checked with Baptist. I have not heard back from them with any issues. So things are on par. It seems that things are okay at this hour, at least in the hospital systems here in South Florida. All right, let's get to CBS News Miami's Austin Carter, who continues to follow all of this for us.
And Austin, 911 emergency services are also affected by this outage. So what are you tracking right now?
Yeah, and at this hour, we know that there are places, luckily in other states, not here, that are dealing with those issues when it comes to trying to dial 911. We've already tried here in Miami-Dade and Broward counties, and we have been able to get through to 911. So at least a little bit of good news for the folks here at home. If you need help at some point today, it looks like those systems are a go, and you are able to get through. But listen, if you have a Windows computer, you're probably going to notice when you launch your computer, you're going to run into this blue screen. I'm going to show you it here behind me, and you're going to see our newscasts are going to be a little bit different today because of the fact that we're also dealing with this, as a number of other media outlets are as well. This is that blue screen. This is a live look right now. This is the computer that I normally use for a lot of traffic and breaking news reports that I do, and we're able to get it here into the monitor. And this is that blue screen. Folks on Twitter this morning, they call this the blue screen of death here, because after this point, you're not able to get much further. There's the option to restart your PC. A lot of folks here at work, we tried to restart it, and they haven't been able to get through. And that's what a lot of folks from not only here in the U.S., but across the world are saying they've tried to do on their Windows computer. It's important to also understand kind of why this is all happening. When things get to technology and IT, it can get a little muddy if you don't understand it. So a lot of the talk has been about CrowdStrike. So that is a cybersecurity firm, and their software is really used by a number of Microsoft Windows clients. In fact, Microsoft Windows is one of their major clients. So anyone who's really relying on a Windows system, we're talking about businesses, the government, banks, healthcare, you name it, the media. If you're running on a Windows computer, you may be having this issue again with the cybersecurity firm called CrowdStrike. Now, they are saying this is not a security incident and this is not a cyber hack, but as Keith mentioned there, it's unclear exactly why this happened this morning.